Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn the couple force system. Now, what is the couple or the couple force system? It is a force system consisting of two forces. So when two equal and opposite parallel forces act on a body at some distance apart from each other, then these two forces forms a couple force system which has a tendency to rotate the body. Okay, now we'll just see an example. Suppose that this is a shaft and this shaft is having the two forces which are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, acting at its two ends. Now, at equal distance, that is at the center, we can get the couple force system, right, which will have an effect at this point. Okay, let's suppose that this distance is d and this distance is also d. This force having magnitude capital F is equal to 10 Newton and this force having magnitude same, that is 10. So F1 and F2 are having the same magnitude here. They are acting at the distance d from its center, acting at distance d from the center here. You can see it here. Now here you can calculate the couple force from this given diagram as couple C is equal to one of your force, that is capital F. Either you can take F1 or F2. Okay, both are having the same magnitude, right? Both are having the same magnitude. Either you can take F1 or you can take the F2. Both are having the same magnitude. Okay. So here you can get force multiplied by the distance between the two forces, and that distance is 2d. So this will give you the moment by the couple. This will give you the moment by the couple force. So therefore, the moment by this couple system is equal to one of the force multiplied by the distance between these two forces, and the distance between these two forces is nothing but 2d, is nothing but 2d. So remember this thing. Okay, now many students get confused regarding the bending moment and couple force system and the moment by the couple. Okay, couple is nothing but the action of two forces which are having equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, acting on a object, on a material, which tries to rotate that object either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this is a couple force system or moment caused by that couple. Now what is the moment? Remember this thing, the difference between moment and bending moment. Moment means what? Moment means, suppose that you are having certain shaft and a force is acting here at its end, having magnitude here, F is equal to 30 Newton. And let's suppose that this distance is having a 5 meter. Okay, let's suppose that this distance is 5 meter. Then here in this case, the moment will be 30 multiplied by 5, that is F multiplied by D. D is nothing but distance. D is nothing but distance. So F multiplied by D, which is equal to 30 multiplied by 5, and that is equal to 150 Newton meter. So the unit of your moment is Newton meter. Remember this thing. Okay. So your moment by the couple is also having the unit Newton meter. Both are having the same unit, but the scenario is different. Okay. Moment causes the deflection in the object, while as the couple force system or moment by the couple force system causes the rotation of the object, right? Now there is one more another term, that is the torque. That is the torque. Now what is the difference between this torque and moment? That is also the important. Okay, so torque means, suppose that you are having an object like this, okay, and forces are imposed on this object, okay. One couple moment is introduced here like this. So this will cause the rotation in this object, in this shaft, right? So the rotation will be caused vertically, axially. There is an axis, right? This is an axis. So the moment of the rotation will be caused about its axis, and that will be nothing but your torque. Okay, we use sometimes the pinches, we use sometimes the screwdriver to rotate the screw, to rotate the nut bolt system. That is the example of torque. Okay, so torque also having the unit similar to this. You can have the top view of this like this. This force is imposed on this, having magnitude F, and the distance between its center is, let's assume that this is the distance, which is equal to the small r. Okay, so therefore your torque will be equal to here F multiplied by R. This will be your torque in this case. Okay, so I hope that you get to know the difference about these two things. Okay, now there is one more term that is also used, and that is the torsion, right? That is the torsion. So what is the torsion or the torsional stiffness or the torsional moment? So torsion is nothing but, I will explain you this thing also, that when a shaft is fixed, now suppose that this shaft is there, okay, now this type of shaft is there, okay, and you are having suppose that this type of shaft is there,